place for the exhibit of the DOST. So we were expecting a volume of 1,000 plus na tao sa Lawag City to join or participate the exhibit. So we expect heavy traffic again. So please let's coordinate sa ano, and I hope hindi magkaroon ng masyadong traffic. Pero it's a good sign pag maraming tao dito, at least mag-boost konti yung mga ibang businesses. Yun naman. So yung exhibit lang, ang counterparting ng cities for us to provide lang yung venue.
Ay, nagkiki-exact venue na rin ito, sir?
Ito yung basketball court tayo, tinatabi mesa, auditorium. Yes, auditorium.
So we're expecting a lot of people to come.
1,000 plus ako.
Ano nakikita kayo po, sir?
Exhibits di ano eh.
Technology,
Science and technology. I do not know yet no ano nigit yung may exhibit ako. So kitain tayo. So I'm excited also to visit the exhibits.
Sir, speaking to traffic,